This project in Northridge is now 100% complete. We had to reinforce in every way we can due to extreme 70-hour winds in Northridge area. So what we did here was, since this is a cantilever type, we did not want to rely only on the walls. We also put this brace over here. We put additional brace right here behind the wall and the post, and we actually anchored this into the wall with 8 different screws with the butterfly, and same thing on this side. And additionally, we also put screws from the side here into the pillar so it does not have any tipping possibility. Like I said, there's really high winds in this area, and the only thing that's really holding that cantilever pergola, although it is not very heavy, it is aluminum. We needed the extra support in every way we can. Okay, so project is complete. Everything is beautiful. Another beautiful installation from Holland brand.